Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you a very interesting phonics tray to make your kids learn about the phonics. In this way you can arrange the alphabet phonics tray. For today's session I have taken A letter, for which I have taken A alphabets, some set of animals because A for animal, A for aeroplane and A for apple. If you have similar objects you can place it in the tray. Similarly I have used this drawing sheet wherein I have written letter A, and to make letter tracing I have used this paint color with all the four colors through which I have written the letter A. Also you can use this book to make your kids learn the different objects and different words with letter A. Guys, this kind of phonics arrangement is very much beneficial for the kids because it helps the kid in many ways. First of all, it helps the kids to learn the phonics, the sound of particular letter, the different objects associated with that particular letter. Also it helps in letter tracing, color recognition, because here I have used four colors to draw letter A, and here I have taken the similar colors paint through which Anisha will be tracing the letter. So it helps in letter tracing also. So this kind of arrangement is very much helpful, and you can try it with different letters starting from letter A. Hi Anisha.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
So Anisha, which letter it is?
A for apple.
A for apple. What is the sound of letter A? What is this?
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. A for aeroplane. What is the sound of this?
Aeroplane.
What is the sound of aeroplane?
Uh.
In this way you can also try the phonics tray activity at home for your kids, because it is very fun learning. The kids always enjoy drawing, and paint color is one of the best way to keep them engaged. So just try this activity and let me know in the comment section if your kid loves this activity. Stay tuned, take care, bye. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.